Today I'll show you how to tour this farm. Okay, I'll show you. Okay, so this is right here. This is a pool that I got yesterday. Okay, and this is a trampoline right here. And this is Arlo. That's good, the poor dog. Yeah. And this right here is all the plants. And then this is my mom's house right here. And hey, Mom. Yeah. And this is all of this garden. And this is a bushes. And then this is weed right here. And this is the barn. Okay, I'm gonna show it to you now. Okay. So in this barn, full of ducks, geese, and chickens. I think you hear them. And hey, two turkeys, chickens. And this is all the stuff where my grandpa got. Okay, I'm gonna show you all the ducks. See, there they are. Hey, Noodles. Remember this green one right here? This is Noodles the duck. We used to got him last year. Yeah. And these are all the nests. Sorry, the bee got on me. And this is her nests right here. See you. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.